Hey! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 2T, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Privacy section here. Following that, click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features. I will go with Location. Then select an app, like Maps. Now you need to click on one of those options to set up the best one for you. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I click on it and go back, as you can see, Maps just gained access to this device location. But you can always just pick any app and then, any feature, and then any app. Now click on See All Google Play permissions instead and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!